how to allow or deny all files access on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Apps. So you will see Apps is here. So click on Apps. Now here click on this three dot icon and click on Special Access. So after click on Special Access, you will see first option is All File Access. So click on All File Access. So if you want to allow or deny all file access, so you will see. So if you want to deny all file access, so you will see access deny. So if you want to allow all files access, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see all file access is allowed. So you will allow or deny all file access from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can allow or deny all files access on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.